Welcome to my channel. My name is Dora and today I filmed a video about this look. So if you wanna know how I created it, please keep on watching and of course subscribe to my channel. I've primed and set my lids and I'm going into Desert Dusk palette from Huda Beauty, and first shade I'm taking is this one called Oud. It's dark brown shade and I'll apply it through my crease. I'm going into 35M palette from Morphe and I'll mix shades. This is Plate Cool and this is Peachy Keen with smaller blending brush, and I'll blend this shade. Back to the Huda Beauty palette, I'll take this shade Musk and I'll further blend this. And back to the Morphe palette again, I'll mix shades Black Magic and this brown called Sparks Fly, and I'll apply it on my outer corner just to deepen it a bit. Now I'll take flat brush and with it I'll cut my crease. I'll do a half cut crease. New palette again, I'm going into this BH Cosmetics Bronze Paradise palette and I'll take this shade. It's like champagne shade, but it's more like white champagne shade. It could almost be like a bit silvery, which I like. It's like more neutral, so you can pair it with all kinds of looks. And I'm spritzing it with Mario Badescu spray. And now I'll blend just the edges. Now I'll do a liner and I'm using liquid ink from Essence. I'll go straight to my concealer. I won't use foundation because it's very hot outside and I'm going to some kind of trip and a dinner later, so I'm just using concealer. And first one is this one from LA Girl. It's HD concealer in the shade Natural. And to lighten it a bit, I'm using Jeffree Star in the shade Satin. I'll set it with this Jeffree Star Magic Star Concealer. This is in the Magic Star setting powder in the shade Topaz. Now I'll quickly refill my brows using Cabral from Benefit, and I'm using it in the shade 4. And I'm loving it for these hot days because it really holds my brows, and I think this shade is perfect. I mean, I've had it I had 4 in precisely my brows, so I knew this is going to work, but I love this product, maybe even more than precisely. And I love the spoolie on the precisely. Back to the Morphe 35M palette, and I'm mixing brown and black shade. With the other side of the brush, I'll just take this shade and I'll blend this. And this shade is called Plate Cool. To bronze my face, I'm using this Wet n Wild Caramel Toffee Contour Kit. And I think this is perfect for summer because it has that warm tone and it looks so sun-kissed. And it's very pigmented but blendable at the same time, so I think that's a great thing. For blush, I'll mix these two. So this is Douglas, the creator of color, and this is Satin Touch blush from Essence in the shade Satin Bronze. Now I'll set my face with Mario Badescu setting spray. To line my lips, I'm using this NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Truffle. I forgot to film this, I don't know how, but I lined my lips with NYX Nude Truffle lip liner. Then I applied this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Rebel Rose, and I was saying that I think some neutral shades would go really nice with this as a sand from those of colors, or maybe like darker brown tones, but I wanted to go with a bit more rosy nude, so I applied this one and a bit of this very light shade just in the middle to create some ombre effect. And now I will apply my lashes, and I'm using this Aramica Cosmetics. These are from AliExpress. I honestly accidentally ordered these ones and they look gorgeous, really. I'll open them, and they are cruelty free. They are called the Tamora eyelash, and as I said, Aramica Cosmetics, it's producer, and it says dramatic effect, foaming, handmade, reusable. I mean, this is like great, and the price was, I don't know, maybe $2, something like that, so I think this is great and they really look nice. So this is how they look, and I'll use them today because I really think this is such a good deal. I'll leave them linked in the description, as this necklace also. It's also from AliExpress. They have instructions in here in 3 languages, so English, French and Spanish, so that's pretty cool, and the packaging is cool. I mean, I love when I find these cosmetic lines like this. So guys, this is my completed look and I love it, and I love these lashes. I mean, they're so fluffy and they're like natural, but at the same time dramatic, and I mean, this is my look and I think it turned out pretty nice. I love half cut crease and I think it opens my eyes, so I really like this one because it's really versatile and you can wear it with gold, with silver, with brown tones, with every outfit and every look. I think this really goes, and it's good for weddings and stuff like that, so I hope you like it also. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye!